Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Go On Buddy. This is the part 2 of the series My Love Journey and the title is Love Begin. If you haven't watched the first part till now, then click on the I button and watch it out. So without any delay, let's straight jump into the video. Vocabularies you will learn throughout the story is mentioned below. And the trick is to learn these vocabulary is love begin, where L stands for lousy, O for ominous, V for words, E for every nook and corner, B for bruise, E for excruciating, Z for grin, A for abandon, and for knave. She told me my marriage has been fixed, but I didn't want to do. It made me shocked and happy at the same time. But her next couple of words stole my happiness for always when she said that she wanted to marry to Santanu. Who the hell is Santanu? I raised my voice in confusion. My boyfriend, she replied. My feelings shattered. Why didn't you tell me ever that you have a boyfriend? I asked in anger. I was about to tell you today, but she cried. I was also crying from my heart, but my tears were invisible. My heart was broken. She should have told me about her boyfriend. She played with my feelings. She is lousy. With these questionable and mistrust thoughts, I made distance to her. Lousy means घटिया, नीच. Mnemonic is lousy is घटिया इंसान को मेरे पास lousy. I didn't want to be alone on that moment and wanted to forget my pain, so I went straight towards my friend's room. I shared the story with him, and to reduce pain, he brought few bottles of beers with namkeen and chakna. I've never gone through such an ominous day in my life, I said while opening the cap of fifth beer. Ominous means manus panoti. Mnemonic is मेरा blood group O minus है. O minus ominous. I was on the verge of tears when I got her call. She wanted to say sorry to me. I was not in the mood to talk to her and said angrily, I hope I would not be getting any call from this number in the future again. And if you do, then you would curse to yourself. Verge means age, कगार पर. Mnemonic is वर्जी बुर्गा बनने की कगार पर हैं. वर्जी, वर्ज. Around 8 o'clock, I went off from Rohan's room. I was broken. Every nook and corner of the city was giving deep bruises to my heart. The memories of being with her in these streets making me restless. It was being hard for me to keep my emotion inside. Therefore, I shouted loudly and let my frustration came out. Every nook and corner means हर नुक्कड़ और कोना. Bruise means चोट. Mnemonic is मेरे ब्रूस को चोट लग गई. Bruce. I couldn't get sleep even for a couple of days. Both hunger and thirst were evolved. I did all the things to forget her, listened to Arjit Singh songs, watched sad Sairi on YouTube, put sad song on WhatsApp story, but nothing worked for me. These were some of the excruciating days of my life. Excruciating means extremely painful. कष्टदायी. Mnemonic is excruciating कर रही है. Excruciating. It took 1 month for me to get my sense back. I was feeling better than earlier and life was coming back on track slowly. Finally, I announced Sonam Gupta बेवफा है, wrote it down on 10 rupees note and grinned. Grin means to give a broad smile, खुलकर मुस्कुराना. Mnemonic is मुस्कुराओ, signal green है. I abandoned to miss her, cry for her, and started paying attention to my work. It's a great moment when you realize that you can get unconditional love only from your within, and I was experiencing it. After that incident, this naive guy started chasing his dream, fell in love with his passion, and his love began with his desire. Abandon means to leave somebody something. छोड़ देना. Mnemonic is अब बंधन छोड़ दो. अब बंधन abandon. Naive means भोला भाला मानव. Mnemonic is भोला भाला इंसान नेवी की तैयारी करने लगा. नेवी नेव. Congratulations, guys! We have completed both formula and story successfully. If you like this story, so please like, let me know which all vocab did you learn from it in the comment box and share it with your friends and beloved ones. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Go on buddy. Do help, get help. Thank you.